I've got my little nano helicopter. I haven't flown it for a while, so we thought we'd do a little flying there and take a little video of it at the same time.
Timer start.
Flies pretty good. I'm a little rusty. Haven't been flying helicopter for a while. Keep it out of the trees.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I can get almost 3 minutes out of this. This is the just a little nano. They fly pretty easy. Blade. This one's had a few upgrades, some graphite tail landing gears. I kind of forget what all I have put on it. It's got a brace on the tail boom. See if we can get a close flyby here. Do a little tail spin.
Time remaining 1 minute.
The thing about this one, if you get it too close, if it hits you, it might sting a little bit, but it's not going to hurt you.
Seconds.
I go about 30 seconds past the timer.
20 seconds.
That was like 2.5 minutes. It'll just kind of lose power whenever
10,
wind's picking up just a little bit,
7,
and it doesn't like the wind.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
See if we can make a nice little landing here.
Timer stop.
There it goes, my little nano. Haven't flown this for quite a while. Flies pretty good. Blade Nano CPS. X by Blade. This one has full collective pitch. It's a little twitchy, so I'm not sure what's going to happen on it, but we'll try to fly it, see what happens. Got it on low rates. See what happens here.
Timer start.
See how twitchy it gets. Keep from running into myself. This one's a little
2 minutes.
harder to fly than the other one. But this one has full collective pitch. It's settled down a little bit. The body's getting pretty rough on it. It's got a few little upgrades on it. But this one's a little more like flying the larger helicopters. There it goes twitchy again. Let's see if we can make a turn without get a little bit out of hand here. Let's gather ourselves up here and slow it down a little bit. They get twitchy. The little servos in there have like a little
1 minute.
wiper thing on it, and they get dirty. And sometimes you fly them for a while, they'll clean up a little bit. Dog's seeing a truck go by. About 2.5 minutes flight time.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Let's see if we can get her to land here.
Timer stopped.
There we go, successful flight. These things will take a pretty good little beating. You can see how the canopy's all kind of tore up a little bit. This has a carbon fiber frame, that's an add-on. So anyways, that's the Blade MCPX. Inductrix, little tiny whoop. Usually fly this with goggles, but we're going to fly it around here with just line of sight, and just to show you how it flies here. It's flies pretty easily. My glasses off here.
Timer start.
I'll fly this up
3 minutes.
pretty close to us here. Again, this is, if it hits you one, it's probably not going to hurt you at all. Now, it's very sensitive to the wind. We got a slight little breeze here, and it's already knocking it around. Let's fly it over here once and open the door.
Timer stop.
Open up the door here and fly it into the house. Get rid of the breeze. It doesn't like any breeze at all.
Timer start.
And we'll fly it indoors here in a minute. Settles right down with the fly it over here by the
Time remaining 2 minutes.
here by the aquarium. As I usually fly this with goggles. I'll turn it around at me here. You can see there's a camera in the front of it. It'll do spins. Just kind of showing you my arsenal of tiny little RC stuff here. Great to fly indoors on windy days or rainy days. We'll fly it back out here and you'll watch the wind's going to really probably mess it up here. You can see it right now. Just the wind coming in the door has got it all kind of twitchy here.
Time remaining 1 minute.
So fly about 4 minutes on a battery.
Timer
Alright,
stop.
the wind's hitting it. So this is the Inductrix, little tiny whoop. A lot of fun. I've got a couple of these I've built myself. This is the one that you buy already built up. So another little fun thing to fly around. Alright, here's my part of my arsenal of little miniature RC helicopters, tiny whoops. I use this little battery here and this Blade Nano, and I also use the same battery into the Inductrix. And this is a little bit bigger battery I use in the MCPX, little Blade helicopter. And this is the radio. Take it off I have a little strap here I put it on. I have the DX6 that I fly everything on. I thought I'd show you a little bit of my little tiny RC helicopter and drones that I fly on it. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hey, give me the thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber to my page, I make videos of all kinds of things, everything from camping to motorcycles to RC, a little bit of everything there. So hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys again the next time.